Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today I'm going to share my interview experience with PWC, and in this question of set, they are majorly focused on the PySpark, ADF, and Python. So I'm going to start question one by one. So first question they asked, what is the integration runtime in ADF? So if you are working with the Azure Data Factory, you will know the what is the integration runtime, and you have to speak in front of them. Then second question, in delete file more than 30 days. Suppose you have stored a file in ADF or Azure storage. So how can you delete those file which is older than 30 days? So this is the second question which was asked. Third question, how will you update old record without changing old records? So this is the question. Suppose you have an old record and you want to update, but you do not want to make any change whatever record existing on there. So what is your approach for this to update? So this is the third question which was asked. Now fourth question. Suppose there are how to archive file after load. Suppose there are multiple files you are processing every day. So as for incremental load, suppose any files, you have a folder, from there you are picking the files and processing. So if today's run is completed, tomorrow again file placed on the particular question, and if you are going to process the particular file, so what will happen, it will take the previous and current one file, and it will take a time to process, it will create a duplicate records, all the things are happen on there. So to avoid these things, once the current run is completed, then you will archive the particular files from the source. So how can you do? You have to implement, you have to give the logic to the in front of the interviewer. Now, I'm going to move in fifth question. So, suppose how to use wildcard character to get metadata activity in Azure. So, this is the question which was asked on there. And now sixth question, what is the meant by metadata? What is the meaning by metadata? What is the use of metadata? What is important of metadata? How is beneficiary, and all the things they will ask during that time. Now another question, seventh question, how does master slave architecture work? Means if you are working with Spark, so how master slave architecture going to work? Means they are asking the architecture of the Spark. So you have to speak the flow, how it is going to work, and what is the once application submit. So another question number 8. So there is you have to write a Python code to show the highest salary of an employee. Suppose you have a record like employee. Suppose you have a record like name, employee name, and employee ID, employee salary, and detailed details on the in the one of the list, and you have to write the code to get the highest salary of employee. Now move to ninth question. Write a Python program to find the user who have been active for the last 3 days. Who have been active for the last 3 days. So friends, this is the nine question which was asked in PWC. So today's it is complete over. I will give another question in next video. Thank you very much for watching.